In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make it to where data labels will only automatically appear on your graph after they reach a certain threshold value. So for this example, data labels are only relevant where the value is above $1,500, but it can just be $1,800, and the data labels are only there for the value that's above 1,800, or you can make this, for example, 1,300. Now the data labels are only there for the values above 1,300. To do this, I'm going to first leave the data, then kind of make it from scratch. So here we have revenue by month. And we're going to then add in a helper column, just call it helper, for example. That's only going to grab the value if it is above a threshold. So we're going to say more than, just call it 1,500, for example. And now we're going to say, hey, if this revenue value is greater than the threshold specified above, we're going to go ahead and grab the value. If not, we're going to use the NA function. Now, I'm very specifically using the NA function because it will just not show up on the graph whenever you go to plot it out. And here we're going to lock down the H3 like so, and then go ahead and just drag it down like so. And now, as you can see, the values are only picking up if it is greater than the threshold specified above. Going to go ahead and use format painter, clean this up a bit, and then add a border just so it looks a bit cleaner. Now we're going to go ahead and make the graph. From here, we're going to highlight the range. This example, we're just using a basic line chart. So go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and we're going to click on Line like so. And after this point, we're going to go ahead and format it so only the data labels show up for the helper column. Because we're going to click on the line, click on the plus sign, and then click on data labels. And we're going to then make this line invisible by right-clicking on it, clicking on Format Data Series, and then we're going to go ahead and click this little fill bucket right here, and we're going to click on No Line. And now there's an appearance that the data labels are only showing up whenever the revenue is past a certain threshold. To make this a bit better, we're going to delete these lines right here, go to our title, revenue by month, and there you have it. And of course, you can use this with different chart types. You can also have the logic directly embedded in your helper column, and you can even change, or you can have right here, so you can change the threshold, or you even have be the average of the values right here, and only show the values that are above the average revenue. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.